I've got bikes on bikes on bikes on bikes on bikes. And typically when I do a track day, I take 4 motorcycles. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 motorcycles to the track. And that's a lot of different tire pressures that I need to adjust when I get to the track. And I have one method that I utilize to get all my tire pressures. I keep this little small portable that I got from Harbor Freight, and they fail a lot. Typically, this only lasts me about 6 months. As a matter of fact, this one's new because I just had to replace it because they blow the seals. Not only do I have the motorcycles, of course, we've got cars, and more cars. Every car I take to the track. The RX-7s I drift on. So that's a lot of tire pressure adjustments because we change tires frequently when we burn them up. Track day cars, tire pressure, same thing, because we increase or decrease tire pressure given the type of temp the track day is offering us and the type of grip that we need out of specific tire pressure for these cars. Matter of fact, I don't drive this one because it's been flat for a long time. This is the perfect opportunity. Let's see how we can fill up the old wide body that I haven't driven in ages. My supporting people that I collab with, Oxito, told me, hey man, I want you to check out your options and see what other things that we offer that you could use. I fill this thing up to 110, 120 PSI, and I drive 2-3 hours to track days typically. These things, the reason they burn up so quick is because they don't like having that much pressure sitting on them for that long. So this comes in super clutch for me. Kit comes with everything you need. Hell, looks like I could even fill up a basketball if I need to with this. Oh, sick. A nice little dry brake, push in and twist. And it's locked in. That's fire. Now, cool thing about this new bike, the R9, it has angled valve stems. Stems is pointing out this way. It's real easy to access. My Dymags on my R1 have the same thing. These bikes don't. So this having a flexible hose like this with this much length actually works pretty good. But let's actually get it operating. Does it come with a charge? Let's see. Oh, that's sick. Let's see. This should be at about 28 to 29 PSI here on the rear. Let's see what we got going on. It's like a man, I'm not going to read instructions. We're just going to go with what we go with. But what's this do? Okay, motorcycle. Ah, sick. Bicycle. Basketball. Person. What? Personal, I don't know what that's all about, but we'll read the instructions later. We're going to do this like a man, and we're just going to go straight to 40 PSI here. So I'm assuming that I could set it. Yeah, I can. Let's set it. I wonder if it'll pull out, but let's set it on 29. Pull out is funny. Pause. Pressure. Locked in. There we go. Okay, so it's 25 PSI cold because I wanted it up at 29 hot. So how do we start it? Ah, there we go. We'll see what it does. Might take a little moment, but that's kind of cool. I mean, you can twist it on, set it and forget it. Oh, damn, it's actually moving pretty fast. Let's see if it stops. Amazing. I like it. The motorcycles is usually going to be a PSI up, PSI down, quick adjustment when I'm at the track to get the tire pressure that I need. But we've got a fully flat vehicle over here. So, let's go ahead and connect this to that. Let's see how long it takes to fill this tire up. All right, and y'all see that? It's at 0 PSI. Let's just go ahead and put it to the car's regular 35. And let's hit it, see how long it takes. Matter of fact, let's time it. All right, there we go. About a 10-second leeway. Let's come back to that and see how long it takes to get some PSI. USB-C adapter, cigarette lighter, charge, always for the win. This is gonna come with me everywhere now because like I said, I utilize different tire pressures on so many different things because I do so many different disciplines. Let's see what kind of progress we're making while my iPhone's getting rained on. It says 17 PSI. You would for sure be able to drive on that right now. You see it's actually increasing the ride height right now, and we're getting up there. So it might take a little bit of time. It's been 2 minutes, but hell, when you're on the side of the road, you've got a flat, or if it's not really a full-fledged flat, you damn sure want to use this to get that thing aired up and get off the side of the road if you can. So this thing is already up to 24 PSI right there. Let's let it keep going up to about 35. All right, we're coming up on 5 minutes. Let's say 5 minutes, 20 seconds. 5 minutes, 20 seconds, because we gave it some lead time to go from completely flat up to 35 PSI. Now, here's my thoughts. It's not warm. Look, I'm all ready. But that's what I'm going to do. It's field testing. Real deal. I would really do this. This is really how I get down with my cars and stuff. I'm really out there with it. So this is a nice, cool, little tidy application. It's even got a light on it, huh? How does the light work? Oh, right there. That's nice. I like that, because then it's not pulling or tugging on anything. You just remove it. Let's see how this light works. Oh, beacon stuff. That's sick. Oh, that's sick. Is that giving SOS? That is doing SOS, yo. Very intelligent, Oxito. I like that. I like that. Very intelligent device right here, y'all. Plug it in right there, charge it. Plug in right there to charge, and I'm assuming you can also take power from it as well if you need it as an emergency power supply. Oxito, you did your big one for that, so I'm gonna go ahead and say that this is a track day must for me. It's for sure gonna go on my track day bin because I don't want to forget this. So it's gonna go right in my daggone bin with all my other track day must things, and never gonna leave home without that. So support those that support the people that you fuck with. Oxito is definitely coming in clutch with the Smart Electric Pump, the A502. Go ahead and use my code. I'm going to put it right up here on the screen. Matter of fact, right under that model number so that you can get this model number with using my code, and you can get your little situation off so you can get one of these of your own. Real tight. I mean, I pulled straight man stuff, and I did not look up anything, even look at the instruction manual. But, I mean, if a Neanderthal can just get it out the package and go straight to using it, that's going to be good for you, too. Make sure you get this for your girl, and make sure you put that in her vehicle because, dude, I can't tell you how many chicks I see riding around with flat tires, and not everybody's going to be able to find a air pump working at a Chevron station or your local gas station. Plus, dude, carry around your own power. So thanks, Oxito, for that, and y'all go ahead and check them out and make sure that you use my code and let them know I sent you. And that's going to be a must to keep in the track spec and in the backpack, so when I'm out riding, I can put my air pressure up to where it needs to be so I can ride to the back roads and take it down to where I need it to be when I'm in the back roads. Perfect deal.